and the Mi Robot Vacuum here on my right. This test has two purposes. First is the cleaning performance, how the A4 stacks up against the more powerful Xiaomi Robot Vacuum, and how it navigates. The A4 has a more random navigation pattern, while the Mi Robot Vacuum uses a more efficient cleaning pattern, similar to the Nido Robot Vacuum. And for this test, I'll be using rolled oats and powder scattered all over the floor. Around 70 grams worth of rolled oats and powder. took roughly around 14 minutes for the A4 to clean all the rolled oats, most of the rolled oats and powder scattered on the floor. I'll show you the corners here, the edges. These are trouble spots for most robots, and the A4 was able to clean most of the powder residue, but left pieces of oats on the corners, and near the Mi robot vacuum you'll see bits and pieces of oats. That's because of the dual side brushes that tend to scatter things around. And let's look at the other corners here, the other edges here, and you'll see over there near the door, it was able to clean most of the dirt here, and which is pretty good, pretty impressive. And most of the powder residue around the floor, it pretty much was able to clean up most of it. And again, those scattered pieces of oats near the charger, the A4 wasn't able to pick up. It doesn't go near its charging base as it does its cleaning routine, and which is a downside for the A4. And let's see how much dirt was able to pick up. Here's the bin of the A4. It's pretty full. I'll just show you the front part here. You see it's pretty much filled up with rolled oats and powder, and I'll open it and dump it over this digital weighing scale here. I'll slowly open it and dump it and see how much dirt it has picked up. It was able to pick up around 63 grams, more or less, of the powder and rolled oats. And you'll notice that it is much easier to empty this compared to the Mi robot vacuum. The mini robot vacuum was able to complete its cleaning in 9 minutes and 28 seconds. And I'll show you what's left of the dirt here. Here's the edges here. As you can see, it has cleaned most of the rolled oats and it has left some powder residue. There are some few pieces of oats scattered here. And let's move around. Let's look at the floors. Look at the flooring, and it's able to clean up most of the powder. And if there's one trouble spot, it would be those edges over there. It has left. You just move the camera here. It has left some powder residue over here. Let me just give you a closer look. That's the powder that's left, and some oats. Overall, the Mi robot vacuum seems to have picked up more, but let's see the bin. It's the real test. Let's see the bin of the Mi robot vacuum here, and as you can see, it's pretty full here. And let's empty it over this weighing scale. Let's see how much dirt it's able to pick up. It was able to pick up around 69 grams of the dirt, and overall, I'm pretty impressed with the A4, how much dirt it was able to pick up compared to the Mi robot vacuum. Though it uses an old navigation system found in the older iRobot vacuums. The dual side brushes though work against it when cleaning that much dirt. But in real life application, when you're just dusting your floors, that wouldn't be an issue. Actually, it helps it pick up dust along the edges, so that's something to keep in mind. The A4 though was able to pick up more, and it was much more efficient. It was able to complete the task in around less than 10 minutes, while the A4 was able to do it around 14 minutes. So you can see there though the difference in navigation, how it affects the efficiency. And the the Mi robot vacuum will be more efficient, will be better suited in a home with more rooms, with a larger home with more rooms, because of the efficiency. And if you have any questions or comments,